Welcome to the RCC Signature Series. I'm Riza Cantre and I'm honored to deliver this program as a Maxwell Leadership Certified Coach, Speaker, and Trainer. This is brought to you by RCC Management Consultancy Services, where we deliver people-centered solutions rooted in commitment and compassion. The 5 pillars of people-centered leadership: practical, relatable, and designed to help leaders grow with impact. These lessons are inspired by the timeless principles of John C. Maxwell, combined with real-life HR and leadership experiences. Because leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. Let's begin with the first pillar, character, the foundation of leadership. Maxwell Principle says, everything rises and falls on leadership. People will forgive a leader for mistakes in judgment, but not for flaws in character. Halimbawa, kung gusto mong sundan ka at igalang ka ng iyong mga tao, hindi sapat ang galing. Kailangan may karakter. Character means integrity, honesty, at paggawa ng tama kahit walang nanonood sa'yo. Sabi ni John Maxwell, people buy into the leader before they buy into the vision. Halimbawa, kung sinabi mong ipapaprioritize mo ang empleyado, pero sa actions o gawa mo, puro shortcut at favoritism ang nakikita sa'yo, mawawala ang tiwala ng mga tao mo sa'yo. Character is your credibility. Build it before you lead. Vision. See it, say it, live it. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. John Maxwell. Leaders see more and before others do. Vision is about seeing ahead and bringing people with you. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang ang nakakaalam ng direksyon. Ang totoong leader, malinaw sa kanya at malinaw din sa team niya kung saan sila pupunta. Sabi ni John Maxwell, people don't at first follow worthy causes. They follow worthy leaders who promote causes they can believe in. Halimbawa, kung ang vision mo ay customer first, dapat kita ito sa paraan ng pakikitungo mo sa clients or customers mo at sa pagtitrain mo sa iyong team. Lead with vision. People don't follow a boss. They follow a cause. Influence, the true measure of leadership. Maxwell Principle says, leadership is influence. Nothing more, nothing less. Kung may title ka, pero walang nakikinig sa'yo, hindi ka leader. Pero kung wala ka namang title, may respeto ka, ikaw ang tunay na leader. Influence is built through credibility, trust, and serving others. Sabi ni John Maxwell, people may hear your words, but they feel your attitude. Halimbawa, kahit simpleng HR officer ka lang, kung ikaw ang nilalapitan ng tao para magtanong at humingi ng advice, ibig sabihin, may impluwensya ka na. Build trust. Speak with value. Influence with purpose. Empathy. Leading with a heart. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, according to John Maxwell. Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. Great leaders lead people, not just projects. Empathy means, as you lead, is listening, understanding, and adjusting. Sabi ni John Maxwell, ito ang law of connection. You must touch a heart before you ask for a hand. Halimbawa, may empleyado kang laging late. Imbis na sermonan mo agad, alamin mo muna kung bakit na late. Baka pala may problemang malaki sa pamilya o sa transportasyon. Doon pumapasok ang empathy. Lead with empathy. Care first, and leadership will follow. Discipline. Growth that stays. Small disciplines repeated with consistency every day lead to great achievements gained slowly over time. John C. Maxwell. Motivation gets you going. Discipline keeps you growing. Talent opens doors, but discipline keeps them open. Consistency in showing up, learning, and delivering makes a leader credible and dependable. Sabi ni John Maxwell, the secret of success is determined by your daily agenda. Halimbawa, kung lagi kang late sa meetings o laging hindi prepared, mawawala ang respeto ng tao kahit gaano ka pa katalino. Wala ka kasing disiplina. Discipline is the bridge between vision and results. This is RCC Signature Series, your people-centered solutions rooted in commitment and compassion. Reach out to me via my webpage and my LinkedIn page. See you there.